Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In our previous video from our MATLAB series, we discussed some interesting questions, and today, we will again solve some more fun questions. So without further ado, let's start. First question of today is that suppose $5,000 are invested in an account for 17 years where the interest is compounded yearly. There is another account in which same amount is invested, but in that account, the interest is compounded monthly. Both accounts have an interest rate of 8.5%. We have to calculate the time, that is, how many months and years it would take for the second account to have the same balance as that of first account after 17 years. Now, let's make the data for first account, where P represents amount invested, which is $5,000. T is time period, which is 17 years, and R is the interest rate equals to 0.085. Now, let's type the formula where we will count the annual interest represented by B, which equals to P multiplied to parentheses 1 plus R whole power T. Now, let's type the data for the second account where we have count the time period. Here N represents the number of times interest is compounded, which is 1 year or 12 months. Now from the given formula, we can't find T. So first, we have to make the formula according to our requirement. Since P is multiplying on the right-hand side, we will send it to left, where it will then divide to B. Then we will use the logarithmic formula on both sides, through which the power comes down to the left-hand side of the log function, as you can see here. Then we will shift the complete term to left, where it will then divide to B upon P. So now, the formula is ready, which is T equals to log base 10, B upon P divided, and multiplied to log base 10, parentheses 1 plus R upon N. Now to find years, we will use the fix command with T, so that whatever the answer of T is rounded off towards 0. And for months, we will use ceil command and subtract T, with the answer of years multiplied to 12. The reason for using ceil command is because it rounds off towards positive infinity, so that if the answer is a decimal digit, it will be rounded off towards a non-decimal digits, since months are not counted in decimals. After running the program, we can see that the second account will take 16 years and 5 months to have the same balance as that of first account. Moving on to our second question of today, we have been given a quadratic equation which is 4x squared minus 9x minus 17.5 equals to 0. We have to find two roots x1 and x2. First, we have to find the discriminant value, and the formula for that is discriminant equal to square root parentheses b squared minus for ac. To find the first root, that is x1, the formula is parentheses minus b plus discriminant upon to a. While for the second root, that is x2, the formula is parentheses minus b minus discriminant upon to a. Now, after running the program, the value of x1 is 3.5, and the value of x2 is negative 1.25. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something from the video. Be sure to practice this by yourself. Show your support, like this video, and comment down your feedback. Till then, take care and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more upcoming content.